Radio ERENA.
Radio ERENA.
Radio ERENA.
ERENA, une radio indépendante.
This is Radio ERENA.
Radio ERENA.
Radio ERENA is an independent Eritrean radio station based in Paris, France. In Tigrinya, Eritrea's national language, Radio ERENA is an affectionate way to say Radio Our Eritrea. As the only independent Eritrean radio station, ERENA provides both the Eritrean diaspora and people inside Eritrea with access to independent and biased news about their country and its neighbors. We broadcast in Tigrinya and Arabic, ensuring that diverse Eritrean communities can stay informed. We are active on various social media platforms, including YouTube, where we post our content, daily news, guest interviews, book readings, our sitcoms, and other videos. We also have our own website, a Facebook page, as well as Instagram, Twitter, X, and TikTok accounts. In Eritrea, there is no free press. All national media are state-controlled, and independent journalism is banned. That's why Radio ERENA plays a crucial role, offering a rare space for truth, dialogue, and accountability. Emmanuel Girma and Idris Suleiman Khalifa are both journalists who work daily to broadcast our news in Tigrinya and Arabic in Eritrea and all over the world. As journalists, they verify every single information they get to be sure to stay impartial and to avoid broadcasting misleading content. Therefore, they collaborate with sources and contributors. Our programs reach around 500,000 people weekly inside Eritrea. That's 500,000 individuals who, without Radio ERENA, would have no access to free and independent news. In a country where all media are state-controlled, Radio ERENA offers a rare window to the outside world, keeping people informed, connected, and empowered. Furthermore, we reach thousands of Eritreans across the world, helping them stay connected to the homeland and access truthful information that's often censored inside the country. For many, Radio ERENA is not just a media, it's a lifeline. You can follow our work on social media, visit our website, and help amplify the voices of Eritreans who deserve to be heard. You can also support Radio ERENA by supporting the organization financially. If you wish to do so, please visit donate.erena.org. Radio ERENA, the voice of free Eritrea.